Hi, welcome to Bloom. Today we are going to learn more about list. In the last lesson, we saw when we apply split function on a string, it creates a list. So let's recapture it. And we apply split function on D. E is a list. We'll create a list, another list, list 1. We always have to use square brackets. Let's type and another fruit. Okay, let's say. Okay, so this is a list. Let's check what's the type. It's a list. Now let's see the length of this list. We can call the length function 4. There are 4 elements in this list 1. Now if we want to get the index of lemon, what we have to do is list 1 index, within brackets we have to write the what we are searching. Now let's add some new elements to this list 1. We can add like this. List 1 append, will append pineapple. Now let's see the elements in the list 1. Okay, so pineapple is added to the end of the list. We'll add another item, list 1 append. We'll add lemon and we'll see what happens. So the new element lemon is also added to the end. So we have duplicate elements. If you want to find the index of lemon, let's see what happens. It only returns the first occurrence. Okay, now we'll create another list, list 2. We have to use square brackets, and within that we'll say mango and lemon. And we'll add list 1 and list 2 and assign into list 3. Okay, let's see what's inside list 3. Okay, it has added the first list 1 and list 2. Okay, now we'll do some slicing on list 3. So if we want to get the first 3 elements of list 1, what we have to do is we have to type this way. So it will return the first 3 elements. We always refer the first element by 0, 0, 1, 2. So this will bring the first 3 elements. If we want to get the last 2 elements, then what will happen is it will return the last 2. So it will take this point as 0, minus 1, minus 2, and it will return the last 2 items in the list. Let's say we want to print all the items in list 1. So then we have to use a for loop for item in list 1, print item. What will happen is it will print all the elements. Let's say we want to convert the items, convert all the list items into capital, into uppercase. We can print like this: print item upper, then all the items will be converted to uppercase and will be printed. Now let's say we want to actually assign these elements into a new list. So we'll define a list called list 1 upper. Okay. Then we'll call a for loop and assign item dot upper. Then we'll print and we'll see. Okay. This variable is a global variable, and here it will append the item, convert the item into uppercase and append into list 1 upper list. Now we'll sort this list upper. Okay. Now we can see it is in the sorted order. Then we'll convert this list into a set, and we'll print the set. In a list we use square brackets. In a set we use curly brackets. And what has happened? It has removed the duplicates. In the list there were 2 elements with the name lemon, but in the set it has removed the duplicates. Let's recapture what we learned today. First, we learned to define a list. When we are defining a list, we have to use square brackets. We can find the length of a list using length function. A list has an indexing system and starts with 0. We can slice a list, we can add 2 lists together, and we can append elements to a list. We can use sort function to sort a list. And using the set function, we can convert a list to a set. When we are doing exercises, we saw that list is an ordered array because it uses an indexing system. It allows duplicates also, and we can change the element by referring to the index. But there are other data types such as tuple, set, and dictionary. So what's the difference between them? Well, tuple is also like list, ordered and allow duplicates, but unchangeable. When we are defining a tuple, we use brackets instead of square brackets. In the last exercise, we converted a list into a set. Well, when we are defining a set, we use curly brackets. A set ignores duplicates. It doesn't allow duplicates. But set is an unordered and unindexed array. And dictionary is the ordered and changeable data type. Thank you for watching our video and stay subscribed with Bloom for next lessons.